Question number 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increased at the rate of 2.5 per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. If the count was initially मतलब present is 5,06,000. It is 6,000. Okay. After 2 hour पूछा है after a certain period, so we can write like that number of years. Okay, that is time. प्रिंसिपल अगर हम लोग जो गिनते थे प्रेजेंट वन इज इनिशियल इज 500 मीन्स 5,06,000. रेट ऑफ increase rate, okay, 2.5% per hour, and time is what required 2 hours they have said. So what we are going to get is number of bacteria after 2 hour means amount p 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to n. ये इसी को अप्लाई करते हुए so 5,06,000 1 plus 2.5 I can write 25 और उसका भी एक 10 रख देंगे and 2 hours. So 5,06,000 here it will become thousands. So 1000 plus 25 by 1000 raised to 2. So 5,60,000 6,000 by 1000. So 5,06,000 multiplied by, अगर हम कट करना चाहे तो 200 and this is 205. So 205 by 200 2 times. So 5,06,000. Still we can reduce it. Okay, 40s and 41s. So 41 into 41 by 40 or 40. So we can still reduce it, कट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, and 0 get cancel over here. Okay, still इसको 4 से काट सकते हैं, जो भी है. So 4 1s 1,265. So 1,2065 into 41 into 41 by 4, and we solve this, we will get the number of bacteria after 2 hours will be approximate this much after 2 hours. Okay friends, so this was 11th one, and we can proceed for 12th one also. Here a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciates at a rate of 8% per annum. Every year 8% depreciate मतलब reduce हो रहा है value. Find its value after 1 year. So what will be the value after 1 year? So present value जो होता है V0 हमने बोला था, और रिड्यूस हो रहा है मीन्स माइनस करना पड़ेगा, याद रखना रिड्यूस हो रहा है, एंड आफ्टर n मतलब नंबर ऑफ 1 ईयर. सो नेक्स्ट न्यू वैल्यू जो ढूंढ रहे हैं V1 इज इक्वल टू प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज 42,000 1 minus 8% you will get, and for 1 year. So V1 is equal to 42,000. So 100 minus 8 is to 1. So 42,000 it will be 92 by 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. So 420 into 92. So V1 value, one new value after 1 year we are going to get is rupees 38,640. Value of scooter after 1 year by reducing 8% depreciation. Hope so all the sums are clear to you. Especially second sum आप जरा देख लेना, करेक्शन करके रखा है. You have to do that also of this exercise in the notebook. And we proceed our unit test